Unveiling the Shadows, Understanding Dark Deeds. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the depths of English expressions to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, dark deeds. This intriguing term often appears in literature and conversations, and understanding it can add a rich layer to your English comprehension. So, let's shed some light on these mysterious words. Dark deeds refer to actions that are morally wrong, illegal, or evil. They are the kind of activities that people often want to keep secret, away from the public eye. The word, dark, here symbolizes something hidden or obscured from moral light, while deeds means actions or acts. When combined, they convey a strong sense of wrongdoing. The use of the word dark in English goes beyond the absence of light. It often carries negative connotations, such as danger, secrecy, and evil. In many cultures, darkness is associated with fear and the unknown, which is why the term dark deeds instantly evokes a sense of something sinister or malevolent. Dark deeds are a common theme in literature and media, used to add tension and conflict to a story. Characters involved in dark deeds might be hiding a crime, plotting against someone, or engaging in forbidden practices. This term helps to paint a picture of the character's moral landscape and can be a powerful tool in storytelling. While you might not discuss dark deeds in everyday conversation, understanding this phrase can enhance your comprehension of English language books, movies, and TV shows. It can also be used metaphorically to describe less serious misdeeds in a humorous or hyperbolic way. I hope this exploration helps illuminate the meaning of dark deeds for you. Remember, language is not just a tool for communication, but a window into the complexities of human behavior and ethics. Thanks for watching, and may your deeds always be light and bright.